The Filipino polite marker po. The Filipino polite marker po is commonly used in the Filipino language, especially in Tagalog, to show respect and politeness, particularly when speaking to someone older in authority or to show general courtesy. First is showing respect in conversations. Show respect when speaking to elders, superiors, or anyone you want to be polite to. And the second one is making requests more polite, making a request sound more polite and respectful. Number 3, we have here answering questions respectfully, used in responses to show politeness, especially in formal situations. Number 4 is softening commands, used when giving instructions or commands. Adding po makes the command sound less harsh and more respectful. Number 5 is often paired with titles like ate or kuya or sir or ma'am to show extra respect. And number 6 is enhancing general courtesy, inserted in general statements to enhance politeness in casual or formal speech. Let us have the following example sentences for number 1, showing respect in conversations. Kumusta po kayo? How are you? Kumusta is hi, hello, or how are you? Kumusta po kayo? Ano po ang pangalan ninyo? So what is your name? Pangalan is a name. So ano po ang pangalan ninyo? Saan po kayo nakatira? So where do you live? Saan is where, and then nakatira is live. Saan po kayo nakatira? Kailan po kayo darating? When will you arrive? Kailan is when and darating is alive. So kailan po kayo darating? Paano po ito gawin? How do you do this? Paano is how, and then gawin is do. Paano po ito gawin? The next one, number 2, is making requests some more polite. Pakiabot po ng asin. Please pass the salt. Pakiabot is pass. Please pass. And then asin is salt, so pakiabot po ng asin. Pakibukas po ng pinto, please open the door. Bukas means to open. Please open, pakibukas, and then a pinto is a door. Please pakibukas po ng pinto. Pakiusap po, huwag kayong maingay. Please don't be noisy. Pakiusap is like please. Usap is like conversation or talk. And then maingay is noisy. Huwag means don't. So please don't be noisy. Pakiusap po, wag kayong maingay. Pakiusap po, wag kayong maingay. Pakitawag po si ate. Please call my older sister. Tawag means like call, and then ate is the older sister. Pakitawag po si ate. Paki-explain po ulit. Please explain it again. Paki-explain, please explain. Ulit means again. So paki-explain po ulit. The third one is answering questions respectfully. Opo, pupunta po ako. So yes, I will go. So the question might be, pupunta ka ba bukas? Will you be attending or joining tomorrow? So the answer would be, opo, pupunta po ako. Punta means like to go or visit or join. And then opo is yes. Hindi po, wala po akong alam. No, I don't know anything. Hindi means no. Wala is nothing or none, and then alam is like aware of. So hindi po, wala po akong alam. The other example is opo, naiintindihan ko po. When we say opo, that's yes. Intindi means understand. So yes, I do understand. Opo, naiintindihan ko po. Hindi po, hindi pa po ako kumakain. No, I haven't eaten yet. So, hindi means no. Kumakain. Kain, it's the root word, means eat. So, hindi pa po ako kumakain. I haven't eaten yet. Hindi po, hindi pa po ako kumakain. Another one is opo, nagawa ko na po. Yes, I have already done it. So, opo is yes, nagawa is like did already past tense. So, yeah, opo, nagawa ko na po. Number 4 is we have softening commands. Upo po kayo. When you say to make upo, that means to sit. So, please sit down. Pakiusog po ng kaunti. Please move a little. Pakiusog is like to move a little, is to move. And then kaunti is little or just, yeah, for a little. So pakiusog po ng kaunti. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Please don't worry. So huwag is don't. And mag-alala is to worry. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Please don't worry. Tumahimik po kayo. Please be quiet. Tahimik means quiet. Yes, so tumahimik po kayo. Sumunod po kayo sa akin. That means please follow me. Sunod means to follow. Kayo is like you. And then sa akin is me. To me. So sumunod po kayo sa akin. Number 5 is used with titles and honorifics. Salamat po, kuya. So thank you, older brother. I think another thing also with Filipino culture is that even though someone is not your kuya or your ate, you can call them that way as also a way of showing respect to the person. Pasok po kayo, ate. That means please come in, older sister. So pasok means to like enter. And then, mahal ko po kayo, nanay. Mahal ko po kayo. I love you, mother. So, mahal is love. It can also mean expensive. And then, nanay is mother. Paalam po, tito. That means goodbye, uncle. Tito is uncle. Paalam is goodbye. Patawad po, tita. Sorry, aunt. So, patawad, that's sorry. And aunt is tita. That's aunt. Next one is number 6. Embracing general courtesy. So, pasensya na po, nagkamali ako. So, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Pasensya, that's I'm sorry. And then, nagkamali is like a mistake. So, pasensya na po kayo, nagkamali ako. Paumanhin po sa abala. I apologize for the inconvenience. Paumanhin is like apologies or sorry. Inconvenience, abala. Paumanhin po sa abala. Maraming salamat po sa tulong ninyo. Thank you very much for your help. Salamat means thank you. Marami means many. So, thank you very much. Tulong is help. So, maraming salamat po sa tulong ninyo. Pakihintay po ng kaunti. Please wait for a while. Hintay means to wait. And then, kaunti is for a moment or for a while. And the last one is mabuti po ang araw ko ngayon, which means my day is good today. Mabuti is good. Araw is day and ngayon is now. So, mabuti po ang araw ko ngayon. And that is all about for this video regarding Filipino polite marker po. Maraming salamat for watching this video and see you in the next one.